Are you tired of your RV's power dying right when you're in the middle of nowhere, ruining the perfect off-grid getaway? Upgrading to a lithium battery is the ultimate game changer, but choosing the wrong one can leave you stranded and out of cash. In this video, we are counting down our top 5 picks, starting from number 5 and working our way down to the absolute best lithium battery money can buy. Stick around until the number 1 spot because our top pick completely shocked us during our field tests, and it might just be the last battery you ever need to buy. 5. DR.PREPARE DBT12100 LFP. When we first brought this unit into the shop, we were immediately drawn to its incredibly accessible price point, which makes it an appealing option for RVers looking to make the jump to lithium without emptying their wallets. Taking it out of the box, the battery feels relatively sturdy and features a compact footprint that easily slid into our test RV's standard battery compartment. During our initial low-draw testing, the DR.PREPARE performed adequately, easily keeping our LED cabin lights, water pump, and ventilation fans running for days without a hitch. It boasts a solid cycle life on paper, and the integrated handle makes it a breeze to lift and maneuver compared to traditional lead-acid anchors. For basic boondocking in mild weather, it certainly gets the job done and provides that steady lithium voltage curve we all love. However, as we pushed this battery into more demanding real-world scenarios, a few cracks began to show. One of the most glaring issues we encountered during our late fall camping test was its lack of low-temperature charging protection. When the overnight temperatures dropped below freezing, the battery's basic battery management system did not prevent the solar charge controller from sending a charge, which can permanently damage lithium cells. This means you have to be extremely vigilant and manually disconnect the charge source if you are camping in the cold. We also noticed some limitations when we tried to rely on the doctor. Prepare for heavy-duty appliances. When we fired up our 2,000-watt inverter to run a standard RV microwave and a coffee maker simultaneously, the battery's BMS tripped and shut down the power supply much earlier than we expected. It struggles with high surge currents, making it unreliable if you plan on running power-hungry AC appliances off your battery bank. 4. Dakota Lithium 12 volts 100 ampere hours LiF EP04. Dakota Lithium has built a massive reputation in the outdoor and marine space, largely due to their aggressive marketing and their staggering 11-year warranty. When we strapped this battery into our test rig, we immediately appreciated the rugged construction and the peace of mind that comes with knowing the company stands behind their product for over a decade. In our field tests, the Dakota Lithium shined brightest in its overall durability and capacity retention. We took our RV down miles of brutal washboard dirt roads, and the battery's internal construction held up flawlessly to the intense vibrations. It also delivered its full rated capacity, powering our 12-volt fridge and electronics consistently over a long, overcast weekend where our solar panels were of no help. Despite its legendary status, our hands-on testing revealed that it might not be the perfect fit for every RVer, especially when you consider the premium price tag. You are paying a massive upfront cost for that 11-year warranty, and frankly, the market has evolved so rapidly that other brands are offering identical or superior internal specs for a fraction of the cost. It is a tough pill to swallow when you realize you are paying top dollar for essentially standard LiF EP04 technology. Furthermore, we were slightly underwhelmed by its maximum continuous discharge capabilities during our stress tests. While it handles moderate loads perfectly, we noticed that when paired with a high-capacity inverter to run a rooftop air conditioning unit, the battery reached its thermal and current limits faster than some of its modern competitors. For a battery this expensive, we expected a slightly more robust BMS that could shrug off heavy, continuous amp draws without breaking a sweat. 3. YOLIQUE ALL100NEW. We love testing underdog brands, and YOLIQUE has managed to engineer a lithium battery that hits the sweet spot between affordability and high-end performance. Straight out of the box, we were impressed by its sleek design and incredibly lightweight build, which made our installation process in a cramped understep battery box an absolute breeze. When we hooked the YOLIQUE up to our testing equipment, it performed like a champion. It effortlessly handled our capacity tests, delivering a true 100 amp hours before the BMS gracefully shut it down to protect the cells. We used it to power our entire RV for 3 days, running the furnace blower, lights, water pump, and charging multiple laptops, and it maintained a perfectly steady voltage throughout the entire discharge cycle. What really sets this battery apart in its price bracket is the advanced internal battery management system. Unlike the cheaper options on the market, the YOLIQUE's BMS actively balanced the cells during our rapid charging tests from our 400-watt solar array. We pushed it hard with back-to-back charge and discharge cycles, and the battery remained cool to the touch, indicating high-quality internal resistance and efficient energy transfer. We were also thrilled to see that it handles high-surge appliances beautifully. When we turned on our high-draw induction cooktop, the battery didn't flinch. The power delivery was incredibly smooth, proving that you do not need to spend a fortune to get a battery capable of running modern RV amenities. It feels reliable, safe, and ready for serious off-grid use. Overall, the YOLIQUE All-100 New is a phenomenal mid-tier option that punches way above its weight class. It strips away the hefty brand name tax and delivers pure, unadulterated performance with a highly capable BMS. If you want maximum value and a battery you can trust deep in the backcountry, this is an absolutely stellar choice. 2. LiTime 12 volts 100 ampere hours LiF EP04. LiTime has been dominating the RV space recently, and after running this specific unit through our gauntlet, it is incredibly easy to see why. This battery is an absolute technological marvel, bringing premium smart battery features to a price point that is accessible to the everyday RVer. The standout feature that we absolutely fell in love with during our testing is the built-in Bluetooth monitoring. Instead of installing complicated battery shunts or guessing our state of charge based on a crude voltage meter, we could simply pull up the LiTime app on our phones. Sitting by the campfire, we could instantly see our exact remaining capacity, real-time current draw, and individual cell health. It completely eliminates battery anxiety and changes the way you manage your RV's power. Equally impressive is the integrated self-heating function, which completely solves the cold weather charging problem we experienced with cheaper batteries. We intentionally placed the LiTime battery in a commercial freezer to simulate a harsh winter camping environment. When we applied a charge, the battery's internal heating pads automatically kicked on, warmed the core up to a safe temperature, and then seamlessly allowed the charge to flow. It worked flawlessly and completely autonomously. Beyond the smart features, the core performance is rock solid. The upgraded BMS allowed us to run our heavy loads, including a microwave and a hairdryer, without a single hiccup. The build quality feels exceptionally premium, and the terminals are robust and well machined, ensuring a tight, low-resistance connection for our heavy-gauge inverter cables. The LiTime Smart Battery is practically perfect in every way. It combines cutting-edge monitoring technology, true winter weather capability, and massive power output into one beautiful package. 1. Battleborn Batteries BB10012. While other brands have introduced flashy apps and budget-friendly alternatives, Battleborn has spent years perfecting the ultimate bulletproof power source. When you hold a Battleborn battery, you can physically feel the unparalleled quality of the cylindrical cells and the proprietary internal hardware that has made them an industry legend. We put this battery through absolute torture, subjecting it to intense heat, extreme vibrations, and massive power draws that would cripple lesser batteries. The Battleborn laughed it all off. Its proprietary battery management system is widely considered the best in the business, and our testing confirmed it. It provides instantaneous protection against short circuits, overcharging, and temperature extremes, acting as an impenetrable fortress for your RV's electrical system. One of the greatest joys of using a Battleborn is its true drop-in replacement capability. We took out our old lead-acid batteries and dropped the Battleborns right into the existing system. They are engineered to work seamlessly with standard RV converters and alternators, meaning you rarely have to upgrade your entire electrical bay just to accommodate them. They took a charge faster and more efficiently than anything else we tested. Furthermore, the longevity and customer support backing this battery are simply unmatched. Battleborn is based in the USA, and their engineering team is readily available to help you design or troubleshoot your RV setup. When you invest in this battery, you aren't just buying a plastic box of lithium, you are buying into a proven ecosystem that full-time RVers have trusted for millions of miles on the road. The Battleborn BB10012 is the ultimate pinnacle of RV power. It delivers unmatched reliability, superior safety features, and a track record that speaks for itself.